आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है साइलेंस की. राइट साइड ऑफ द स्टेज. कोई नहीं चुप होगा. आज सबका इलेक्शन है. प्लीज राइट साइड ऑफ द स्टेज. साइलेंस. थैंक यू. प्रेजेंटेशन प्लीज ऑन कीजिएगा. हम कर लेंगे. That's our problem. All right. Right now, I'm addressing the international media, and that's why I'm going to be talking in English. The second half of the presentation is going to be in Urdu, and Simapia will present. The first slide, आप जरा देखिएगा जी. हमें we got 1.25 million votes in Karachi, and out of the seats we did not win a single seat. 1.25 million votes only in the city of Karachi. Jamaat-e-Islami received 700,000 votes and not a single NA seat in Karachi. Punjab, we got 13.6 million votes and we were given 55 seats. This is a joke with the people of Pakistan. Next slide, please. Have a look. This is the situation of the National Assembly of Pakistan at 3 a.m. PTI had 154 lead. And please bear in mind that at 2 a.m. is when the counting should have stopped and the RO should have given his Form 47. ये right side of stage या चुप कर जाएं या निकल जाएं. Please, इनको सकते हैं बाहर जाएं. चुप नहीं कर सकते तो सारे बाहर जाएं यहाँ से. जाएं यहाँ से. Please, we don't need you. Out. Please leave the space. Please leave the space. Next slide. Next slide, please. ये जरा detail देखिए. Left side देखिएगा. Again 3 a.m. PTI Independence 154, PMLN 47, People's Party 47, NQM 4, and JUI 4. Next slide, please. The countrywide robbery that took place via Form 47 in violation of Article 92 of the Election Act. Just have a look at all the provinces. From Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, we were winning 42 seats, and they easily stole ours and gave us 37. From Islamabad, we were winning 3, and all 3 were stolen from us. In Punjab, we were winning 115, and 55 were given to us. These are presents, by the way. In Balochistan, please, previous slide. In Balochistan, we were getting 4, and we only got 1. Next slide, please. Just look at the sheer scale of the rigging. I'm just going to go through a few constituencies, so please bear with me. These are worth your time. This is the kind of naked fascism that took place on the 8th of February. It was not PTI's mandate that was stolen. It was the people's mandate that was stolen. They take our money, they take our Ehsaas card, they take our Kisan card, they take everything that belongs to the people of Pakistan, and then they steal their votes. This is what they've done to Pakistan in one day. Please go back to the previous slide. Thank you. If you look at LE 241, we were winning as per Form 45 with 78,000 votes. And guess what they do to us in the end? We lost. Next slide, please. In LE 57, we were winning with 100,000 votes. This is till 3 a.m. in the morning. And in the morning, once the time has run out for anybody to tabulate Form 47, they gave us 44,000 as a present and ensured that PMLN wins. In the next constituency, same thing. We're winning with 154,000, and in the end, they gave us 52,000. They stole 100,000 votes. All the details are here in front of you. Next slide, please. Next slide. Next slide, please. Thank you. Next. Button was here? I know. Please, आगे जाइए. Okay. 234 देख लीजिए. On PTI, we're winning with 47,000 votes against NQM. And our vote is reduced to less than 4,000 in a flash of a second. Next slide, please. I'm going to stop here for a moment and I'm going to ask the team to run the visuals by you. Whatever I've explained, we have it all in PDF form. Please have a look and see the kind of theft and the kind of rigging that took place. And let it be remembered, Form 45 is the authorized form given by the Election Commission of Pakistan to the presiding officer, and the presiding officer signs it in front of the polling agents. Those forms are then tabulated and created into one Form 47. Have a look at the PDF document, the graph please. Open up the graph, ladies. Please start scrolling through them. Have a look at all these names. That's 47, 48, 49. Atak 50. Rawalpindi 53. Taxila 54. Rawalpindi 55. Rawalpindi 56. Rawalpindi 57. Chakwal 58. Jailer 60 sorry. Gujarat 64. Sialkot NA 71. Tobatek Singh NA 106. Lahore National Assembly 126. Lahore National Assembly 128. Pakpatan National Assembly 139. Multan National Assembly 148. Aage jate jaiye ji. This is just an example of the horrific sheer scale of rigging and voter manipulation that took place once the votes had been cast. There are dozens of examples of our polling agents being thrown out of polling stations. They were not signing the documents in front of our polling agents. There are multiple videos which you will see right now at the kind of violence that took place when our polling agents tried to secure the Form 45. All this data is available to you. We have already distributed some documents to the international media and the local media. After this, once Mavya is done with the Urdu part of the presentation, we shall also be sharing with all of you 2 links. Those links give you copied PDF copies of Form 45s of all the people whose mandate was stolen. In addition, we have given you a breakdown of each and every polling station and the votes that were cast polling stations. So we've done our homework, and I can assure you our lawyers are going to have a field day with this. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Chandana. Thank you, Ji. So, Pakistan में